Welcome to Amazing World Channel.
A farmer raises his fist at an overflying police helicopter while driving his tractor in a protest to show support for the banned referendum on independence from Spain in Barcelona. Photo Reuters A column of tractors rolled into the streets of Barcelona as hundreds of farmers from Catalonia showed their support for tomorrow's planned referendum on independence. An estimated 700 tractors met the call of a small farmers' union to drive their vehicles into Catalonia's capital, where they could be used to barricade polling stations against police forces acting on court orders to prevent the referendum from taking place. "We ask for all the tractors in the land to be parked in the vicinity of polling stations without hindering traffic or the carrying out of the vote, but ready to move against any potential sabotage of the ballot," the Assemblea union said. At noon yesterday, hundreds of tractors flying pro-independence flags were parked outside the Spanish government's delegation in the capital, blocking the central Mallorca street. We will vote," farmers chanted. Having converged on Barcelona from different parts of Catalonia, the cavalcade was expected to mass outside the regional government's headquarters to show support for tomorrow's referendum, before dispersing to park outside polling stations. Catalonia's courts have ordered the police to seize electoral material in order to prevent a ballot suspended by Spain's constitutional court from being held. Assemblea-Pacheco's Twitter feed and other social media sites posted photographs of tractors defending polling stations in towns across Catalonia. Another farmers' union, Unió de Pagesos, announced its support for the tractor convoy in defense of democracy and freedom after the arrests of political representatives, the de facto freezing of Catalonia's self-rule, and the violation of civil rights. Irish Independent